Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create SuperApp account on PC. So if you also want to create SuperApp account on PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you're someone who wants to build a site for yourself, SuperApp is perfect for you. SuperApp will help you create the site, design the site with the help of Notion. So if you also want to create SuperApp account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in app.super.so, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of SuperApp. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you already have an account you can directly log into your account. But if you want to create the account, simply click on the option sign up that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create an account for yourself. You can either sign in with Google, Apple, or you can also fill in these details in order to create the account. First of all, what you have to do is enter your first name and last name. Simply enter the first name. Now enter the last name. Similarly, what you have to do is enter your email address. Simply provide your email address. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. Create a very strong password for yourself. After that, you'll have to agree to terms of service. Simply click on this option that you can see right over here. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option sign up with email. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Your account will be created in 3 steps. You'll have to choose a Notion page or template. After that, you'll have to connect the Notion page to Super. You'll have to give your site a name and that's it. Now what you have to do is click on the option Get Started that you can see right over here. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is create a Notion account for yourself. If you already have an account, simply click on the option Yes. But if you do not have an account, what you have to do is click on the option No. After that you'll have to create an account for yourself. Notion is the home for your website's content. It is a powerful app that puts projects, docs, databases and more all in one place. So simply create a Notion account for yourself. After that, you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply click on the option OK, open Notion. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Notion. From here, what you can do is create a Notion account for yourself. Simply click on the option Start your free plus trial. Now after that, you'll be able to sign up for your account. You can use any option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option Continue with Google. After that, simply follow through the prompts and create an account for yourself. You can see over here I've already created my account. Now what you have to do is go back to the SuperApp tab. Now simply click on the option Yes, I've created an account. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to choose what kind of website do you want to create. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like personal, portfolio, blog, documentation, directory, etc. Simply click on the option of your choice. After that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several templates over here. What you have to do is click on any template of your choice. For example, if you like this template, simply click on the option Start with this. You can also preview the templates if you want. Now after that you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Get template and return here. What you have to do is click on this option Get personal site template that you can see right over here. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the website of Notion. You have to choose where you like to add your personal site templates. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after that the template will be added. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here the template is ready. Now simply go back to the SuperApp tab. Now click on the option Yes, I've got the template in Notion. Now what you have to do is paste your Notion link below. Simply go back to the Notion tab. Now what you have to do is click on the option See Template. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply click on the 3 dots that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is click on the option Copy Link. Now go back to the SuperApp tab. Now paste that link over here. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. What you have to do is give your site a name. Simply enter the name for your site. Now after that, click on the option create site that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now after that, you can see over here your site will be created. Your SuperApp account will be created over here. So that is how you create SuperApp account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.